Imagine a ship so modern it outpaced its time, and so cursed it was nearly sunk by its own people. The light cruiser Leipzig, born from the shackles of the Treaty of Versailles, a marvel of technology that became a tragic grave. She was a revolution. 90% of the hull was electrically welded. Her mixed propulsion of diesel and turbines was world-class. But technical superiority does not protect against fate. December 1939, the Skagerrak. A dark turning point. A British torpedo from HMS Salmon rips open the boiler rooms. The Leipzig narrowly escapes sinking. The Naval Command writes her off. Instead of a combat ship, she becomes a floating classroom. But the worst is yet to come. October 1944. Thick fog off Hela. The Leipzig lies motionless in the water. A technical maneuver becomes a deadly trap. Out of nowhere, she appears, the Prinz Eugen, steaming at 20 knots directly toward the defenseless Leipzig. The impact is devastating. Like a knife through butter, the heavy cruiser cuts the Leipzig almost in two. For 14 hours, the giants remain wedged together. 27 men lose their lives, a wreck that refuses to sink. They patch her together with subway rails. A grotesque sight. Only one shaft still works, a shadow of her former self. March 1945. Despite the damage, she saves over 500 people from the advancing Red Army. Her last great act. After the surrender, she is worthless, structurally unstable, just a pile of scrap for the Allies. But she still has a secret. She is loaded with chemical weapons. Thousands of tons of poison gas disappear into her belly. July 1946. Back to the Skagerrak. This time, there is no return. Demolition charges are set. A loud blast. The Leipzig begins to sink. A ship that escaped death so many times now surrenders to the sea. In 400 meters of depth, she rests today. A silent but deadly grave for the chemical legacy of war. Was she a masterpiece or a failure? The Leipzig remains a monument to technical ambition and its bitter end. She survived torpedoes and collisions, only to be scuttled as a toxic burden, a fate like no other. What do you think? Was the Leipzig cursed? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more naval history. Click here for the story of the Bismarck. See you in the next video. Stay curious.